Hey guys, hello and welcome to Matt. So in this video, I am going to draw a very simple nature drawing using Infinite Painter app. In the whole video, I use only soft air brush, a monoline brush, a brush marker and sparkles. Hope you enjoyed the whole video. So, if you find the video is supportive, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification. Like the video, share it, and hey, don't forget to comment about your experience on digital art. Thank you, stay healthy. See you in the next video.